The Sunda, or Malayan, flying lemur or Colugo does not belong to the prosimian group like true lemurs, but is in a zoological order of its own, Dermoptera or skinwings, which has only one genus and two species, the Philippine and Sunda flying lemurs. The latter is mottled grayish or brownish on its upper parts and is paler below. Flying lemurs do not actually fly, but glide from one tree to the next, by means of the patagium, a membrane that stretches from their forelimbs to their tail. There is little information about their lifespan, but the oldest known individual in captivity lived to 17.5 years old. In this video I will share with you 7 amazing fun facts about Sunda, or Malayan, flying lemur. Before we begin, we published new videos daily, so be sure to subscribe this channel for the great content. Without delay, let's start. The Sunda flying lemur forages mainly in tree canopies, and it may forage on a range of tree species in one night, or just on a single species. Sometimes it will lick tree bark from certain species to obtain water, salts, minerals, and nutrients. Sunda flying lemurs are skillful climbers, but are helpless on the ground. These animals need a certain distance for gliding and landing without injury. The strongest landing forces occur after short glides, with longer glides leading to softer landings, as they can break their glide aerodynamically. This species is just as comfortable hanging from underneath a branch as it is sitting on a branch. Distribution. Sunda flying lemurs inhabit Southeast Asia and Indochina, including Vietnam, Laos PDR, and Cambodia, south through Thailand, eastern Myanmar and Malay Peninsula and surrounding islands to Indonesia, Sumatra, Kalimantan, and western Java. They are strictly arboreal, living in the treetops in lowland tropical rainforests. They also live in highlands and adapt readily to plantations and disturbed forests' edges. Habits and lifestyle. Sunda flying lemurs live either solitary or in small groups that are loosely connected. They can be territorial as regards foraging and sleeping areas. They are mainly nocturnal. They are strictly arboreal, and in the daytime they sleep high within dense foliage in the treetops or in holes in trees. With all 4 of their feet, they cling onto the trunk of a tree or the underside of branches. Climbing involves stretching out their 2 front legs and then bringing up their 2 back legs, which results in an awkward hopping. They can glide more than 100 m with minimal loss in elevation. When threatened, they either climb higher up or remain motionless. These animals are quite helpless if on the forest floor. Diet and nutrition. Sunda flying lemurs are strict herbivores, folivores and frugivores, eating soft plant parts like fruits, flowers, buds, nectar, sap and young leaves. Mating habits. Not much is known about the reproduction and mating of Sunda flying lemurs. They will mate at any time of the year. Gestation lasts about 60 days and a single offspring is born, rarely, twins. Young are underdeveloped when born and weigh about 35 grams. Until weaned, they travel clinging to their mother's belly, who will also fold her patagium near her tail to provide a soft warm pouch for her baby. Weaning is at 6 months old, and sexual maturity is reached at around 3 years. Females can mate again soon after giving birth, and may be pregnant when still nursing. Fun facts for kids. The flying lemur's name is misleading, because it is not a lemur and it cannot truly fly. This species was previously classified as or linked with insectivores, bats, and primates. Sunda flying lemurs are difficult to breed and keep alive in captivity. There are few formal studies about them, and little is known to date. The Sunda flying lemur forages mainly in tree canopies, and it may forage on a range of tree species in one night, or just on a single species. Sometimes it will lick tree bark from certain species to obtain water, salts, minerals, and nutrients. Sunda flying lemurs are skillful climbers, but are helpless on the ground. Please hit like and subscribe our channel for more amazing content in the future.